Was that you crying?
Yeah.
What?
Good morning.
How old were you?
I was 1.
Where is Edwin in this video?
No, he wasn't born yet.
Whoa, good try. Get it in.
In the hoop.
Whoa, almost, honey. Keep going.
Go make it in the hoop.
Steve, you're hitting the baseboard. Wow. You're doing pretty good.
Emily, weren't you 2 in this?
1. I was 1.
Oh.
Make a few. Emily, 2.
Is there another one after this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. What we made?
What's the other one about? Your relatives or whatever?
Yeah.
Emily, you just fell.
Daddy to play with you? I'll let Daddy play with you. Get it. Whoa. You sure?
You're a ball.
What does G pairs mean?
Huh?
G pairs on your makeup bag.
Zip out it in weekend.
What does that mean?
Like, have a nice weekend, I think.
Yay!
I'm gonna fall over.
Oh, right now?
Yeah.
Get the rebound. All right.
I should have stuck with basketball. I could have made it to the WNBA.
Yeah, all right.
What happened? Didn't you have a Twilight? Didn't you have a Twilight poster?
Yeah, they're right down there.
Oh. What Twilight posters do
Pretty
you
good
have?
ball action, Emily.
The ones with Edward and Jacob.
Oh, you don't have one with Emmett?
No.
Emmett's cute.
No, I think he's okay.
I think Jacob's cute though.
Oh, you think he's cute?
Yes.
I honestly think Edward's cute.
I don't like Jasper.
Okay, hold on. Same Edward, girl.
All right.
Alley-oop.
Good job.
Was that Christmas morning?
Mm-hmm.
How come you didn't open presents?
I don't open presents till later.
Oh, is that how you guys usually do it?
Yeah.
Do you guys open presents here Christmas morning?
Yeah, we do.
Before they hatch, girly.
But I don't think we're doing that anymore.
Get your
What?
blankie.
Opening presents on Christmas morning.
Why?
I don't know.
What do you guys do? Them at your grandma's?
Yeah. Oh, jeez, I'm gonna fall over. I better switch.
Hey, I can't see.
Sorry.
Because I can reach the base. Go to Daddy. Alright.
Okay.
Good job. Yes. Just lift her a little bit high and see if she can
I
do
never
it.
knew you were a blonde.
Do it.
I was a light brown blonde. Blonde. Blah.
How come your hair's not blonde anymore? Do you,
Ooh.
I did. I would sometimes get highlights. I don't do that anymore.
would you ever dye it all the way back to blonde? Or
Yeah,
do you like
Emily, would you
being
like to?
a brunette?
I like being a brunette.
Why don't you help her to show her she can?
At least you don't have to worry
There
about
you
people
go.
telling you
There you
blonde
go.